Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are decorating the front porch for fall 2026. It is going to be a fun and quick video. I wanted to share all the little things that I have for the front porch for this year with low maintenance and affordable budget-friendly decor. So this is how my front porch is at the moment. I did not decorate much for summer. I took down my cedar wreath. Can you believe I have a bird nest in it? This is the second time that little birdies do this and I just think it's adorable. Now it's time to spruce up this porch for cozy season. In the meantime, I am going to remove my big planters and cedar trees to give it a nice wash and save it in the basement until winter. It's 80 something degrees outside. It's the middle of August, but I'm going to put some fall music to get into the spirit. Starting off with a rug. This one I purchased last year from Amazon. It's a 3x5, and this one is from Walmart for under $10. For this year from Porch, I really wanted something low maintenance. I love mums for fall, but it's so difficult to make them stay alive. Either it's too hot when we decorate and we are always adding water, or when temperature starts dropping, they get all bad because it's cold. So, and they're getting very expensive. There's at least $20 something for a medium one at Sam's Club, I believe. So I've seen a lot of artificial mums at Amazon. I share with you the ones that Hobby Lobby has. Is new. They have 3 different colors. They look really realistic to me, and a little bit on the higher price at home as well. So I wanted to share something that I picked up at Wayfair, and it's gorgeous. I just love it. It's not mom's. They're Boxwood in a beautiful brown color. So we are going to unbox it right now. These comes in a pack of 2 feet long potted outdoor topiary tree, and it comes in 3 colors. This one is the red, but as you can see, it's actually a dark brown. It's just stunning. I can see myself using this year after year. Open it up a little bit, and it's just beautiful. It has a nice weight to it. You can put it, has its own pot. We are going to add it to another pot. But these are dark red boxwood and zero maintenance. How cute. Okay, these are ready to add it to our planters. Okay, these planters are from Hobby Lobby, from their spring collection. They are $39.99. They have them in black too. I took 2 and they were like $15, I think. They were on clearance. And it's just the perfect size and color for our boxwood trees. We're just going to add like a can inside and try to fill it up with some paper. And we're going to do everything inside because it's extremely hot outside. That way it's better to take it outside. If this is your first time here, hi and welcome. My name is Cindy, and on this channel we share all things home related. Shop with me, room makeovers, decorate with me, a little bit of cooking. And if you like this type of content, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button and become part of this community. And this is part 3 of my fall decorate with me. We decorated the entryway, the kitchen, the living room, and now the front porch. even though the Boxwood has a vase that is kind of heavy, I am going to add my bricks. If you don't have bricks, you can use rocks from your garden. You know, the fall gets very windy. Now for my other set of flowers to bring that burgundy to our front porch, I have these vases from Home Goods from years ago. They were $12.99, and we are just going to add the chrysanthemums that I purchased last year on Amazon, and these are a set of 6. Love the combination of the blue of the vase with the burgundy mums. It's just the right amount of color for our front porch. As you know, we are using the dusty blue or indigo blue for our accent color for the season. Our next item is a set of 3 modern black metal lanterns to add ambiance to our front porch. These brings their LED flameless candle, which is a plus, and a remote control, and these were under $75 at a Wayfair. I will leave links for everything down in the description box.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love?
For our DIY of the season, we are going to transform these plastic pumpkins and make them more realistic with these 4-inch pumpkin stems that I've always grabbed each year at the pumpkin patch.
Your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun.
And all you need for this is your hot glue gun, some bamboo skewers, and a screwdriver to make a hole in the center of each stem. This is such an easy and fun DIY to make, and I really think that it gives that high-end look to my styrofoam pumpkins. Let me know that in the comments, what do you think?
Filled with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you.
I wanted to show you this comes with the other, I purchased it with the other small vases, and I have so many pine cones from my backyard, as you know, that I usually decorate fall and for Christmas. So I just wanted to add a little bit here into this bowl and maybe put it somewhere, maybe on this side. Just to add something unexpected, and then once we go to the pumpkin patch, then we can add more pumpkins to the steps. And can you believe this pumpkin is from last year? These are like the Cinderella pumpkins from Walmart. Such an amazing price. It's beautiful. I want to find more on these this year, and this one as well. This one was in a kind of like sage color, but it's turned like that because of the sun. So we're going to add this one on this side with the smaller pumpkins. To finalize our front porch, I needed a new wreath for my front door. I found this gorgeous magnolia leaf wreath at Wayfair. I think I saw this last year. I'm so pleased and that I finally purchased it. It is gorgeous. It has all those brown hues, variation of colors on the leaf. Beautiful for under $40. So I decided to jazz it up a little bit by adding some ribbons with the colors that we're using for this season. The brown satin ribbon and the burgundy velvet one is from Amazon, and then this gorgeous velvet blue ribbon is from Hobby Lobby.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
I hope you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing before you go. I hope you love this zero maintenance full front porch. I do want to keep on adding to my collection each year. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.